springtime is a great time to clean and disinfect and sharpen your tools. Well, really any time of the year is a great time to do that because gardening is so much easier with clean and sharp tools. So the first thing you want to do is get some kind of a disinfectant. I'm using ammonia and water, and I'm spraying it on this tool. And then I'm just going to get a paper towel. And so this is a great way to get off any kind of dirt and grime, and also if there's any diseases that are on this tool head. And then I have some coarse steel wool, and I'm even going to take off even more grit and grime, and even there's a little bit of rust on here, and it'll take that rust spot right off. And now I'm giving it to you.
And now once we have it, kind of cleaned and disinfected, we'll want to kind of sharpen the blades. So a lot of times we'll use either like a WD-40 or a 3-in-1 oil or a honing oil. What that will do is kind of will help lubricate while we're sealing. So we're going to use just a regular old file on here. We sprayed a little bit of WD-40 on here, so we can just kind of sharpen this edge. And then we can kind of also do the other side here. And this is a pretty straight edge on here, but sometimes we'll have like a pair of pruners that have a curved edge on one side and flat on the other. We don't want to sand off or file off this side. We want to make sure that we do the curved side on here. So once again, we'll put a little WD-40 on here. Just kind of help lubricate it a little bit. And we'll just file this down until we get a nice sharp edge on there. Just kind of following the angle that's already there. And then once we get the angle on there as sharp as we want to, we'll spray it down with the WD-40 or the oil. What that'll do is kind of help seal it, lubricate it, and prevent further rusting.
So cleaning, disinfecting, and sharpening your tools, it's a great thing to do any time of the year.